Welcome back to Living with a Classic. And, well, yeah, I'm back. And sorry for being away a little bit. I kind of feel like I need to say that I haven't really put a post up or anything. I checked, it was 45 days ago I posted the last video. And there's a reason for it. Couple. We'll go through that today. So just so we're clear, it's a brief video today. And then tomorrow, you guys are getting a real video. And then on Friday as well. And then we'll be back on Tuesdays and Fridays like we've done before, but I just felt like I can't just upload something and not really say what's been going on. I don't want to say what's been going on in a regular video. I took a small little break right in the spring, and I really did need that as well, just because I was finishing a crazy restoration project for a customer, and things were just not going that well, and I needed that. Along the same lines of that, or at pretty much the same time, we had a big change in our family, and it's taken a lot of time and a lot of energy, and I just needed to focus on that and focus on my business. And sadly, YouTube came a little bit on the side. But lucky for you guys, I have actually been filming a little bit along the way, so you will be seeing things that have happened during the summer that you've missed. And well, yeah, like I said, I'm sorry about that, and I hope that you guys are okay. The nice thing is the channel's continued to grow while I've been away. I haven't actually been in and checked statistics and things, because I think that's been part of the disconnect that's been healthy, is I haven't checked anything, and I've just, kept it rolling and doing other things. But I think it's gained a couple hundred subscribers and things. We're almost at 32,000, which is really cool. So what's been going on? Well, there's really two sort of big things. One thing that you may know that we talked a while ago is there's definitely been a health thing going on before with my wife, where she has a couple of, like I've mentioned before, autoimmune diseases going on, and there was a time during the winter where she was pretty sick, and she was not able to take her medication, and she gets really sick when she's not on that, and that just put a big load on me finishing a big project, and that's when I needed time off then. But now everything's fine with that. However, in the spring, like I said, we made a change to our family, and I think I might mention a tiny bit of it in a video. For a long time, my wife and I have talked about doing something which I think is a nice thing for society, and because she's a social worker, or was a social worker, it kind of goes hand in hand with that. So since about the spring, we have become a foster home, where we have an extra son who moved in the spring, and things are acclimatizing and going well, but everything of course has ups and downs, and suddenly you're a family of 5, and things change, and he has to get used to living with us. We have to get used to him living with us, school and everything, and just getting everything working. There's so much bureaucracy and those things, and sometimes I just sort of felt that, I just did not have time for filming other things, and I needed to take a little bit of break. So sorry about that. Letting you know what's been going on. It has nothing to do with not burnout or anything. People might think that. Not that at all. I just felt like I needed to focus on my family for a little bit with the change of having an extra son, which is a really, really, really cool and interesting experience. So this is not a video where I'm saying like recommending you, but I recommend that you talk to someone who has had a foster kid or something, because I promise they'll have some good stories to tell. I will never share any of these things, and this is someone who probably will never be on camera either, because I just think that is the most responsible thing to do. But it is a massive change, and that's what's been going on. But that is really it for today, and then tomorrow you'll get a regular video. I'm not really sure which one's going to be yet. I have a Morelli failure video that I filmed. I have a little rally I went on, think I have an AED video, and I have a video of a 1949 MGTC. So yeah, there's some things coming up. So I hope you guys will stick around for that, and thank you so much for basically not unsubscribing. Well, this is Adam, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care.